welcome to yet another exciting episode of Eswatini Lifestyle. This is the only show on Eswatini TV that brings you all the exciting events and all the places that are amazing in the kingdom of Eswatini. It's a lifestyle of Amaswati, what they get up to do in the kingdom of Eswatini. And today we are here at the farm right next to the Dam of Hawan, nested right there. Beautiful place that we want to bring out to you and all the exciting activities that they have right here. I can't wait to see what is it exactly that they are offering to us. Let's see what the farm is all about. Stay tuned.
Ngumcebisi mina wakanzimanze like the farm ngi-manage my bookings. Yes, ngimlo when people are booking kusuke kungimi on the background. The farm indzawo ye-adventure ne-accommodation. Shothi si-provide accommodation ne-adventure in a different way, because indlela lesakhe ngayo we trying to bring back nature. Yes, nawutolale the farm ngeke ulale endlini yesitini, but you'll get nje something different lotakuthola la at the farm. Nalokuthi ke ema-views ethu we have a natural views njengoba sikanekise la celeni kwelidamu laseHawan thina nje sibukene naleli damu laseHawan. My activities lesinawo sinayo hiking. People can come for hiking. They can go as far as the end of the Hawan Dam la kufike khona kube nebo waterfall. Now during summer naline kahle litulu, there's a waterfall by the end of the day, Hawan Dam. So sinayo hiking, sinayo horse riding, and ama horse trails ethu ke yama leli damu nje libuka lonke uze uyofika le laligcina khona. Sibe nema quad bikes. Ma quad bikes ethu ke ayaphuma la ekhathe the farm. We go as far as Bongwenya class from here using off-road, so the beautiful views, get to uba adventurous, welimifula ubone tinzaba, so all the way to Ngwenya class and coming back. Yes, bese ke nawula ngikhathi kukhona lokho ema go-karts nako udlala local iphakame adrenaline kugijima nawe. Phinze ke sibe ne boat ride. I-boat ride yethu ke ihlukene kangu-2, kune short spin ne long cruise. So i-short spin yendeka la khathi at the farm. Yes. And the longer cruise siya traveler from here to Maguga Dam. Yes, so cruise ekhathe Maguga Dam for 2 hours isekhathe Mandini. Sithinele indlela lesakhe ngayo la ema accommodation yethu kunema chalets. Yes, now khuluma nge-chalet, khuluma nge-Wendy House liyakhiwe ngeliplango. Yes, sinawo ama-chalets. Bese ke siba nama clamping units. The clamping units kunama camping tents, but you are camping in a luxurious place nangakubeka ngelimi lesingisi. Yes, lapha ekhathe tendeni kunayo yonke i-bedding setup. Phinze kune kitchenette la eceleni kwale clamping yakho. So bese ema bathrooms ke and showers angephandle. So naleli tende lethu asikalibeki nje ebaleni esigangeni, because people labanye basaba ukuthi tinyoka, ticoco, all the stuff. So sizamile kulakhela sal elevator from the ground, and then sase silifaka under shelter kutolivikela nakuma weather conditions ukuthi liyashisa liyana, so al affected. Now lele nje lapha kufana ukuthi usekhathe endlini but ekhathe etendeni at the same time. Umuntu nakafuna ukuya the farm ngiqale ngaka-accommodation, utiletha yena nje akaphathe timpahla takhe. Okay, currently self-catering is allowed, so nakhona ngakhona ku-self-catering. So inside the lama rooms ethu, the small kitchenette la bangakhona kupreparisha khona kudla kwabo. So when coming for ku-adventure side, yeah, uyati-ke nawe nayo ku-adventure. Kufuna ube ready for hiking, ube ready ukuthi your shoes, your hats and stuff, ube ready for ukuthi siyohamba. We'll be climbing mountains. Nasifika kuboma-quad bikes, nakhona i-outfit yakho ayibe ready ukuthi singahle sithole lidzaka la endleleni, sitawela emantini emfuleni. So ma-bright colors siye singawa-preferish because atawungcola. Nalokuthi-ke nangabe kude lamanti nelidzaka, tindvuli tikhona. Yes, so umuntu angathi lungiselela kuleto tinto. Tindvuli atagcoka for labanye baye baqhamuke babe ne-outfit hiking, outfit for go-karts and quad bikes, outfit for horse riding, yes, and then outfit for boat. So bantu bangatilungiselela for that, yes. But ke nayinye outfit all out, depending, yeah, it depends on the individual.
Shabangu. I'm the founder and the CEO of Inotech International Academy. Inotech International Academy is a company that provides robotics and artificial intelligence education. Our academy is unique because we do not have a class that we are choosing this kind of people. Everyone can be able to come at Inotech International. Our robotics, we're offering robotics education, artificial intelligence, mobile app development, coding, and also we are introducing emerging technologies so that we can prepare for the future that is coming. As you know, we are in the 4th industrial revolution and soon we'll be in the 5th industrial revolution. So we believe that we must start now preparing for the future that is coming. So our academy will offer our services and education to kids from as young as 5 years old, whereby we are providing practical robotic education, and also to adults and professionals, because when we are teaching the kids, they will go to work, whereby the artificial intelligence also affects people in the workplace. So sitsiteke nalabalaba semisebentini asingabavaleli ngephandle, let them come into the academy, whereby we are teaching them about artificial intelligence. How is it affecting their work? Because studies say in the next coming years, 5 to 10 years, if you do not know about artificial intelligence, it will be difficult for you to be employed. That's why we have also introduced it to people who are working, and also out of school youth, they can come to the academy where we provide practical learning. So for the robotics, we are working with Mirai Robotics Solutions from Lesotho, whereby they are our technical partner, because we, as I was told, that we are providing the practical education. So we give them the equipments, the students, they learn practical how to build the robots. Okay, actually we are opening robotic clubs in all towns in the 4 regions. So we've started in Manzini, whereby we've established a robotic club, whereby the out-of-school youth, they can come to learn. Even the children, school children, they can come after school, they can come and learn, and on weekends they can come and learn. Nathi-ke asihlali phasi, siyaphuma siye la etikolweni sihambe siyoyi-introduce le program, sibafundzise. Kunetikolo nje lapho sesivele siyiqale khona le program. Letikolo letfake ekhatsi Sydney Williams Primary School is part of the program. Same Christian is part of the program. We also have Achievers Primary School who are part of the program. Okay, ema-robotics yi-program lengasho ukuthi i-unique because it is a program whereby lapho involve khona ema-subjects like for sciences, technology, engineering and mathematics. And as a country, we are lacking with people who are in the STEM fields. You find out that we source people from outside to come and work to be engineers here. So with this program, it prepares them for the future careers, and also we want them to like STEM subjects, whereby they can go and learn engineering subjects and engineering courses. Then they can come and apply those skills in the country. As I said, here we are teaching them a practical lesson. I will make an example of a program that we are doing, whereby we are teaching them how to build smart cars. Where they build a smart car. As we are seeing, the world is introducing cars, Tesla. There is Tesla, whereby it's a driverless car, there is no driver. So we are also introducing a program like that, whereby we are giving them the basic skills on how to build a smart car. I would say there is a mindset with us people in Africa that technology is coming here to replace, but I would say it's here to transform. I will make an example of a TV remote. Years ago, when you wanted to switch a station, bohamba uye lapha kule TV ufike uchafade. Nyalo, with the introduction of a remote, that is also a robot and artificial intelligence. So it has made life easy. So I would say robotics and artificial intelligence are not here to replace jobs or here to replace human beings as the notion is, but it's here to transform us, and it is also here to create more employment. As more innovations comes, there are more people that are being employed. So it is not here to take the place of employment, but to help us make our work easy. For now, Innotech International Academy is not a college, if I may say, but we are providing industry training. And after every training, even those in grade 1, they are getting industry certificates of completion, whereby we have educators whereby they provide certification. We also have Mirai Robotics and Automation Solutions. It's a company that is in South Africa, in Lesotho. They provide the certification after completion. Since we started the program, I would say at first it was difficult to introduce the program, because when you are coming with new things, people think it's here to replace, it's here, maybe they are dangerous. But then as we continue to teach about the program, because we also teach about the program before someone comes and learn, must know the benefits of how is it going to benefit them. So I must say, I can say so far the reviews, especially from the young children, are also excited about the program. When they see a robot that is dancing, a robot that is doing push-ups, they see a robot that is walking, it gives them that excitement about the program. And some, we have been getting calls from parents saying, our children have seen robots in school, they are putting pressure on us that they want to learn about robots. Can you explain to us what are the robotics. So I can say the review is really great. It's really great. Our plan as an academy is to introduce robotic clubs in every town, not just towns, and also in the rural areas, whereby we are also working with other partners in researching and also to try and establish a research center for robotics, whereby instead of importing the kits outside the country, the equipment that is being used, us as a country and also our young children, they can be involved in building those kits, because in other countries have moved forward, we have been behind. The kits are manufactured by the students in the schools. So we are looking in the next coming 5 years, we want to be able to manufacture the kits here in Swaziland. We are on social media, on Facebook, we are Innotech International Academy. We are also available for workshops in different regions and towns, whereby people, even if they want to learn about the program, just to sensitize them, what is the program about? We are available, they can call us. Our numbers are also on the social media page, Facebook page, and also they can visit our club in Manzini at Likaka House, ground floor, whereby they will find us. They can be able to register for robotics. They can also visit us at Mbabane Eswatini industrial site.
Game, 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 game. Hey, you need to think about what you're thinking about is who you are. Upon the planet as it rotates among the stars, it's intergalactic.
Good afternoon, how are you, sir?
I'm okay, how are you? Good afternoon.
I'm alright, thank you. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Amon Shamidimo.
Alright.
I'm the director of Amusement Arcade,
Okay.
the one you see now.
All right.
Yes.
You know, one of the brilliant things that you see when you just walk into this room are the screens that are here. It's
Okay.
really already amusing. So I really want to understand, what is it that you have to offer here when it comes to these screens and all the games that are happening here?
Okay, we offer a variety of games. We've got games on Xbox, we've got games on PlayStations, then we've got virtual reality, that is VR, and then we've got board games that anyone can participate in, either young ones or old ones. So it caters for across, for all, I can say for the family.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what was the whole vision behind the whole thing when you started? Who are you really looking up to offering these services to? The vision behind the whole gaming amusement?
No, I think in Eswatini we don't have much for the young ones and the families. So I just thought of where, if a young one has got a free time, can go and it's not about academics all the time with books. You need to have some time to play. So I thought of where, they can come and just relax, refresh their minds and do something. And that's why we've also partnered with educational guys like the ones you just interviewed. You can have a game, but at the same time you are learning something.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Are there any future plans that we are looking into as far as amusement arcades is concerned, maybe for the rest of the country, because it's just here for now?
Of course, it's always a dream to grow bigger, So we are thinking of adding more. That is amusing, of course. We don't have to just end here. And that's why we are actually trying to partner with the schools and then, do more where we have every month there's an event going on that involves dance, that involves games, that involves music. So actually we are thinking bigger than this so that it caters for the whole family, the community and all that. Yeah.
All right. That's really amazing. Thank you so much for just talking to us. Maybe one last one. If you could just give us, what is really the importance of making sure that our children remain entertained? As you said earlier, that it's not just about the academia. Maybe your final message that you can send out at home, maybe to parents and of course to the kids, just encouraging them to get here.
Yeah, when you give a chance to a child to play, It opens up their mind, it refreshes their minds, and at the same time, you know, with these games, it makes a child also think, because there are some games that are challenging. You need to think, and before you make any move, you need to actually come up with something that will, you know, make it work. So it's not just a game of play. Some of the games are actually more educational, because they'll make you think and come up with a solution.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, that's exciting.
Yeah.
You've heard it for yourselves, people. This is Eswatini lifestyle. It's happening right here in the country. It's not just about academia. Games can actually refresh you.
Alright, look. This is what I want you to do, alright? For you to continue playing the game, I need you to insert coins. Get your tokens up. Alright, speed it up.